the interstate. When we were driving down the 408, and she would smile just like the sun that you emulate. Now you mitigate my love, mitigate my love, oh, mitigate my love, mitigate my love, mitigate my love, mitigate my love, oh, mitigate my love, mitigate my love. When we were younger, we would talk so late and hear the morning music shine through the golden gates. And now I know you're gonna amputate all of my love that's left for you. I don't wanna say, mitigate my love, mitigate my love, oh, mitigate my love, mitigate my love, mitigate my love, mitigate my love, oh, mitigate my love, mitigate my love. Help out like you should. It's a burden that you never really understood. But Caroline, I'm doing fine. It's the others who are dying. Light a candle or curse the dark, it's all the same to me. Start a fire, drown the spark, and shake. What's wrong? Something isn't right. I feel I belong in the light. Passion has gone and love's taken flight. Things just feel heavy tonight. I'm tasting no tears, I'm fighting no fear.